is this miscalculation with a lot of parents that they think that just because they installed the parental controls and they did turn them on, that that means that their kids are now fully safe. That's not necessarily true. That doesn't mean that the parental controls are useless. I still highly recommend that you have them installed, but it just means that you still need to have those conversations. There's not a single parental control that will work better than you having that open dialogue with your child. How comfortable are you with these conversations? How well can you model certain behavior that your child can learn from? If you feel, based on your own trauma, based on your own experience, that this is something that you feel so out of your depth, you've had multiple conversations with your child is not changing any of the behaviors, and no matter how much screen time you take away or take the laptop away, they still find different ways of watching porn or watching inappropriate content, and they seem to really show that they're not able to control it, whether they admit it or not. A really important moment to say, I need more help with this.
Really being intentional that when you have a conversation with your children, that you're not reflecting that they're in trouble. You're not reflecting that they're doing something wrong. You're not reacting out of fear or anger when you potentially discover that these things are happening.
I tell all the parents that I talk to, passwords are for parents. And when something happens, that is not the time to ask the kid for a password, because if they don't want to tell you, they won't. I like to say devices should be in open spaces. If you can, parents and guardians, let them be in open spaces. Don't let them have them in their room, especially not at night.
Is there a way for a parent to select a parent-approved gamer list, grandparents, cousins, and a few friends, so that they are actually playing online, but they do not have access to anyone else?
That's going to depend on the type of games they're playing. It's nothing out there right now for a platform-wide implementation. So if it's too difficult for you, I'd say take the games away. So no online play whatsoever. Are they agitated when you talk about reduction of screen time? Are they, throwing temper tantrums and so forth? Are they sneaking and feeling guilty about their playing? And then are they talking about it every day? If they have any of those things count as yes, then they may have a problem. And if they have a problem, consider a digital detox where you literally take everything away for a month and just let their brain reset.
I woke up with an alarm clock and I started my day. I had given myself the opportunity to take charge over my own life, over my own mind, and over my human experience. And I think it really started when I began questioning with my iPhone, who is in charge in this relationship? Who really holds the power? Find community, whatever that looks like. Find a group that you can be vulnerable with, a friend, a mentor figure, and just be real.